Hello everyone. In the previous class, I had explained you common nouns and proper nouns. Now in this video, I will explain you solving some questions. So here is the first question on your screen. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in these sentences. As you know, a proper noun is a particular or special name that begins with a capital letter, whereas a common noun is a common name that does not begin with a capital letter unless it is the first word of the sentence. The first sentence is, he speaks Tamil at home. Here Tamil is the name of a particular language and begins with a capital letter, so it is a proper noun and is underlined. Now home. Home is a common name that refers to a place and does not begin with a capital letter, so it is a common noun and is circled. I hope you have understood how to do it. In the same way you have to do all. Now proceeding to the second question, it is, underline the proper nouns, write the correct common nouns for these proper nouns. As you know, a proper noun is the name of a particular common noun. For example, Mohan, it is a particular name of a boy which is a common noun. So Mohan is a proper noun here. So in this question, you have to underline the proper nouns in these sentences and write the correct common nouns for those proper nouns in the space given. The first one is, Rita is tall and thin. Here Rita is the name of a particular girl, so it is a proper noun and is underlined. Now since Rita is the name of a girl, so girl is the correct common noun to be written here. Now the second one is, Naveen wants to go to Europe. Here Naveen and Europe are proper nouns as they are particular names of a boy and a continent respectively. So Naveen and Europe, these two will be underlined. Now Naveen is the name of a boy and Europe is the name of a continent. So boy and continent will be written here in the given space. You can put comma between them. So in the same way you have to do this. I have sent you the pages. You have to write the questions and do them. I hope you all will do it and send to my email ID. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.